In today's video, I'm going to teach you adding a date picker in Google Sheets. A built-in date picker makes entering dates faster and far more accurate, which is great for schedules, deadlines, bookings, or any sheet where consistency matters. Start by selecting the cell or range where you want people to enter dates. You can drag across multiple cells or click a column letter if you want to apply it to an entire column. With your selection ready, open the data menu and choose data validation. If you prefer, you can also right-click the selection, choose view more cell actions, and then pick data validation. This opens the data validation sidebar on the right. Under criteria, choose is a valid date. This ensures only proper dates can be entered. If you need tighter control, you can pick date is before, date is on or after, or date is between, which are handy for limiting entries to a specific window like a fiscal year or an event sign-up period. These options keep your data clean and consistent. Next, under On Invalid Data, choose Reject Input. This blocks anything that isn't a date or falls outside your allowed range, preventing typos and accidental text entries. If you ever need flexibility later, you can switch to warnings instead, but Reject Input is best for reliable reporting. For clarity, add a short help text under Appearance, something like select a date from the calendar or use MMDDYYY. Lets users know exactly what's expected. When you're done, click Done or Save to apply the rule. Now let's use the date picker, double-click a validated cell, or click the small drop-down arrow that appears, and the calendar pop-up opens. Use the arrows to move through months and years, then click the date you want. The value added is a true date, not text, which means it will sort and filter correctly and work with formulas like today, a month, or network days. To control how the date looks, go to Format, then Number, then Date, and choose the display you prefer, such as MMDDYYY. The underlying value stays the same. You're just changing how it appears. Keep in mind your locale influences the default format, so pick what matches your audience. Everything we've done works on desktop, and similar steps apply on Android and iOS. Tap the cell, open data validation, set the date criteria, and you'll see the same calendar picker in the mobile apps. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Sheet tips and tutorials.